Hi, everybody. It's Deanna Fenton here, and I want to welcome you to this week's episode of Simple Steps to Online Success. You can find your page stats on any of your landing pages. So these are my landing pages. I don't know if you have this yet. They now separate out website pages from landing pages from pipeline pages. Just a little heads up, because I'm of the belief that you should create your website pages from landing pages and not the website pages that Kajabi gives you. My homepage happens to be a landing page. If you click the three dots to the right, you will see that you have the option to see your page statistics, your page stats. I would love to say that I have had 276,000 views of my homepage. Let me tell you, if I had that many page views and I wasn't making $1 million, I'd be pretty pissed. Just saying. The problem with Kajabi statistics is anytime you look at your own page, it counts. Kajabi has no way of screening out your views of your page. So that's very, very frustrating, because when we're building a page, I don't know about you, but I'm looking at it constantly. So now, mind you, this particular homepage has been up since, my guess is 2019. So I'm no doubt have a lot of views on that page, but certainly not 276,000. Now you'll see, you can also see opt-ins and you can see conversion rate, and those are 0. And that's very simple. This is not a landing page for people to opt in and convert. So opt-ins, it's not going to track opt-ins because there's not a form on there. It's not going to track conversions because it's not a thank you page that's received data from an opt-in. So opt-ins and conversion rates in this situation, it doesn't, irrelevant really. And you can see down here, if it was set up for a conversion, then it would show me conversions. So this is a problem, and it's especially a problem if we're talking about a sales page, because we want to know data about whether or not people are converting. First of all, how much traffic is getting sent to that sales page and the conversions on that sales page. So as much as I love Kajabi, you guys know me, I'm going to call it, and I'm going to call on them when it's not something that it has is not necessarily valuable for you. And your stats here may be on an opt-in page, but we're going to talk about that. It not necessarily, because again, it's not going to screen out the traffic coming from you checking your page. What I know some people do is they will work on a page, check a page, verify it, preview it, on and on and on. And then when they're done, they'll clone it so they have a clean copy. So that's an option. You could always do that. To me, that's kind of an extra step that would annoy me, because still, if I go back and check that page, it's still going to track my view of that page.